Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Birthday Slice Pickaxe. Alright, so let's draw this, and I think this one is easy enough where I can just kind of freehand it without the sketch first. So hopefully it's gonna turn out right and not all wobbly. Okay, so then for this one, we're gonna draw in the top of the cake on the, I guess, the little cream part. So I'm just gonna draw one little curve like this first. And then on this side, we're just gonna come down. So this is gonna be the back of the cake. Alright, so then from this point, let's go up. Let's go across the top of the cake. And then we're gonna curve this down. So this cake is layered, so this is gonna be one layer. Gonna come all the way back. And then we'll just stop there first. Alright, and then we're gonna start on the bottom. We're gonna curve this right around to here. Go up a little bit. And then now for the bottom layer, we're just gonna go all the way out to here. Okay, and then we're gonna turn this up and just come back in. So this is the, I guess, the pink part. So this is one layer, two layer, and there's gonna be one more in the middle. So now we're gonna come in. Just try to even it out as much as you can. And then now for the middle. So this part's easier. We just go out. Just round it off, close it off. Okay, and then finally now we can draw in the, I guess, the cake, the chocolate cake part. So just come in. Draw two lines. Continue this line, just come down, all the way down here, and then we'll just close it off. Alright, so that's the cake, and yeah, I guess it's not too bad for freehand. So now let's continue on and just drawing the candles on the top. So anywhere right around here, I'm just gonna draw a little rectangle. And then let's draw one more. And then for this candle right here, I'm just gonna add in some lines. Okay, and then for the flames on the top here, just draw two little curves like this going up. So it's almost like a teardrop shape. Same thing here. Alright, and then there's gonna be some toppings here on the top. Just gonna add a couple of these shapes right on top. And if you want to add in more detail, we can add in another curve just on the back there. And I think there's some dots here in the chocolate cake, so I'll just dab them. Okay, so that's the cake, and now let's draw in the fork. So for the fork, here's the line right here on the bottom. Just pick somewhere in the middle. Come down, and then right around here, I'm gonna come down. Same thing down here. And then now I'm gonna pinch it in. Just leave a little bit of space for the handle. And then I'm gonna go all the way down. So this is gonna be the fork handle. And I won't draw it as long. Well, actually, I might have enough space. Alright, I'll just keep going and then just close it off first. And since we're down here, let's just go ahead and finish up this part. So I'm just gonna extend it. Let's add one line in the middle. And then it's got some wrappings here. So we're gonna curve. And then curve up. Just stop a little bit early. And then just connect it. Okay, and then one more in the back. So same thing here, just curve and then just go back up. So this one's behind. And then lastly, let's add one little line here for the folds. Alright, so that's the bottom, and let's come back up and finish the fork. So for the fork, we have those prongs here, so it's a little bit tricky. So right in the middle, just come up here. Just draw like a U shape first. Come to the side here. Let's draw another one, and come to this side, draw another one. Okay, and then from those corners, we're just gonna go up. And that's gonna give us the little prongs, I guess that's what you call them. Okay, so just keep going up. Alright, so that is the Birthday Slice Pickaxe in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.